What's up, YouTube? It's your man Damon back with another video for you. And man, I apologize that I have been out of the loop for the last few days. I just had a lot of work to do here recently. Also, my goddaughter got married over the weekend, so really had a time enjoying their ceremonies and participating in the overall events that was surrounding the wedding. So it's been out of the loop for a few days. But we are back again with more content for you. And of course, we are talking about Papa John's, ticker symbol PZZA. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are still holding strongly to Papa John's. The company reports earnings tomorrow before the market opens, I believe. We are very excited for the release of the earnings tomorrow to see how the company has been doing and what the outlook is going to look like going forward. You know, Trump today just said that he was going to implement the tariffs for Mexico and Canada. I'm not really sure how that's going to affect Papa John's. I don't know if they actually have a footprint in Mexico or in Canada. I'm sure they do. I mean, I went to Colombia recently in October of 2024, and the first day that I got there, I was super hungry. Got to my Airbnb, pulled up the Rappi app to see what kind of pizza I could order real quick, and one of the first names that came up was Papa John's. I was like, whoa, I didn't even know Papa John's had locations out in Colombia. In fact, I didn't even realize they had locations internationally like that. But the company is called Papa John's International, so yes, they do have a footprint in other countries. So we'll see how the tariffs affects the company moving forward, what they have to say about that in the earnings report tomorrow. But let's get to what we really want to see. Let's show you the results from the last few trading sessions. Okay, family, so you know how we like to do. We like to show you the numbers in black and white. So we'll show you how everything did today. As of today, February 26th, the account value $9,416.24. Hey, today we took a loss today. You know, it was a little bloodbath today in the market for my two stocks at least. So a change in value of $410.48. That's a 4.18% decline in value. Still up year to date, 16.66%. So we've made over $1,344 in the portfolio. And the investments that I am holding in this retirement account, SailPoint is like a cybersecurity defense company. They handle a lot of identity and access management for large corporations. I think I told you guys in a previous video that my employer does a lot of business with SailPoint, so that's how I'm familiar with the company. But we do have SailPoint in the portfolio now. We own 143 shares. Right now, the price is at $24.06. Today, we were up 35 cents per share. That's the market value, a little over $3,400. Today, SailPoint brought in $50. And overall, we are still down $120 on SailPoint, but that's nothing. We're just gonna hold and let that change because we really believe SailPoint is gonna go. And then secondly, Papa John's International, ticker symbol PZZA. Again, they report earnings tomorrow, so we're very excited to hear how the company has performed over the last quarter and what the guidance is going forward. We own 129 shares of Papa John's. Right now, the price stock is at $46.24. Today, it was down $3.57 per share. That's the market value. That's how much we lost today in Papa John's, $460.53. But hey, we are holding it for the long term. So it doesn't matter what it does today. What matters is what it does over time. And as you can see, year to date, you know, since the 11th of February, when I bought Papa John's stock, I am still up $729.69 on Papa John's. So those are the numbers, folks. We're still holding strong. Yeah, so those are the numbers. And, you know, after a day like that, a lot of investors would have panicked and just traded off Papa John's. But, you know, when you have been investing and you have some skin in the game for a while, you know better. You know to hold it for the long term. You already have an objective in mind. You already have a price, a target price in mind that you want to go for. And so you can be mature and you can keep a level head just by holding it for the long term, having a long-term approach when it comes to your investments. Again, I do not day trade. Sometimes I may take some profit off of the table, especially if that profit happens quickly. But for the most part, Papa John's has not reached my target price, even though I did take about $1,600 in profit already. But Papa John's has not reached my target price. So I'm holding it until it reaches that target price that I want to hit. Again, we are going for big gains. We're not looking for 5 or 10% gains. We're looking for 1 baggers, 2 baggers. We're looking for the thing to double. We're looking for the thing to go up triple in value. Those are the type of returns that you see when you hold for the long term. Now you can see those type of returns quickly. I mean, some stocks do move very quickly like that. And when those stocks do move very quickly like that, again, I am prone to take some profit off of the table. But if I still think the stock has some room to run, then I'll leave. I won't sell all of my shares. I'll hold some shares so that I can get some additional gains in that stock later on. But yeah, that's where we are in the portfolio. Still excited about the market. This is a very crazy, a very volatile market with wild swings up and down in each direction. So, one of the best investment strategies that you can possibly take is to hold for the long term. And even when your stock does decline in value, to back the truck up and buy some more, because that just means that asset, that stock is even more affordable than it was to begin with. So that is also an investment strategy that we take as well. Sometimes we'll just back the truck up and buy more shares so that we can, have bigger profits later on down the road. So yeah, that's an update on the portfolio, folks. We are happy about the earnings report tomorrow, and I will definitely tap in tomorrow after they report earnings and talk about the performance of Papa John's, and we'll see what the results are, baby. We'll see what the results are. But I hope you guys are having happy trading out there. I hope you guys are saving and investing money right now. There's a lot of instability going on in our economy, a lot of instability going on, in the world economy as a whole. But here in America, we are definitely seeing job layoffs. We're seeing people get fired from jobs. There's a lot going on. And in this moment, you should be saving money. You should be investing your money right now, before something like that even hits your house or your family or your finances. You should be saving and setting aside money right now to prepare for a rainy day, okay? And, stock investing for the long term is just one of those ways that I save money for the rainy day. Again, my objective is to retire at 50. I don't want to work past 50. I want to be able to retire at 50 and live my life in peace and do what I want to do when I want to do it. And a method that I am using to build wealth over time so that I can reach that goal is investing in the stock market. The stock market is still the greatest engine that we have to build wealth in this country. And yes, I am all in, even when things don't seem to be going my way, or even when there's a lot of volatility in the market. So I just wanted to provide you with that update, folks, to tell you that we are still holding strong because we are still holding for the long term, all right? Peace and blessings out there to you. I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what your thoughts are below. What are you holding for the long term? How are you doing in your portfolio? I would love to hear and read your comments. Talk to you soon, guys. Peace.